Video I will show you how you can join in this airdrop, fully in this airdrop. So everything I will talk about this specific airdrop, $15 million raised. Okay, how you can join, hi, pretty much easy, straightforward work. You don't need to have any fancy PC laptop in order to join here. Okay, so what you need is just your phone. Okay, so first you need to have some Sopila faucet. So what Sopila faucet is, in order to getting Sopila faucet, you need to come walk through this link, and that link, if you click on that link will bring you inside of this page. So here is what you need. Just paste your address where you will receive your Sopila faucet, which account you will be participate by. So paste same account here in order to getting your Sopila faucet. So if you don't have 0.000 on Ethereum on your account, you will not get this token. Okay, so keep in mind. So if you have, please paste your account here. I'm showing you. So paste your address here. Which address? Your MetaMask address. I'm showing you your MetaMask address. So here, if you notice that I have some Sopila faucet that I transfer into my another account, because I haven't 0.000 on Ethereum. Therefore I'm not able to get from Alchemy faucet. Okay, so here is your address. Copy that address, just tap on here, that will be copied. Okay, so I received it from my another account. It's not Rothwell token, it's faucet. Just use testnet. Okay, so don't be freak. Okay, so what you need to do is, first you need to get Popular faucet. So after, what you need to do is T Ethereum in order to claim T Ethereum. And after T Ethereum claim, what you need to do uh, is connect with MetaMask. Connect MetaMask and network claim Ethereum and Breeze Ethereum Popular faucet, and that's it. This is the work. So, and the second work is go through this link. So click on that link, and that link will bring you inside of the this space. I'm showing you inside of this space. Okay, so what you need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet here. So click on this connect button, and it will be connected after a while. So wait a minute here. Click on this next button, confirm, in order to connect with their website. So in this website, switch to Phoenix Testnet. Click on this link, and automatically Phoenix Testnet network would be add on your MetaMask. Just click on this approve button, and it will be immediately approved. So switch the network and claim your Ethereum, Testnet Ethereum. Okay, so while you click on your claim Ethereum, immediately MetaMask will pop up in front of your screen. So click on the sign button, and proof capture was in place. So if I do desktop, maybe it will be work. Okay, so let me see what happened. So claim Ethereum, if I click on now, what happened, let me see. So MetaMask will get notified again. I tried once time, that failed. Now what happened, just let me see. Okay, so our wallet run out of tokens. Try again later. So right now it is not working, but I already did in the morning. So after a time it will be okay. So try over and over again, it will be done. Okay, while I join first time, at that time it has been worked. So what happened here? So you have this token to climb. Okay, I'm showing you. You have this token to climb. So while you climb this token, your balance would be add up here. So after what happened, you can freeze inside of there. I'm showing you the third page is here. Our third work is here, third link. is here the bridge option. Here we see you need to bridge. So what we need to do is click on this bridge link, and the bridge will bring you inside of here, and that bridge link will take you inside of here. And what I need to do is connect to Sopila network. So click on this link and this button, and that will bring you inside of the MetaMask. And what you need to do is same, just connect, because MetaMask is your like handle, like your username. Okay, it's a web3. Okay, switch network to Sopila. So what you need to do is your MetaMask is connected. Okay, here is your Sopila will be pop up. If it is not yet pop up, so if you click on this deposit insufficient fund, so it will be pop up after a while. Don't worry about that. Okay, maybe you are seeing now it is already added here. So if I want to deposit inside of this Phoenix, so click on this deposit fund waiting for approval. MetaMask will get notified by your trying. Okay, so here is you need to just approve their transaction and your work will be done. So now nothing you need to do here, just your work has been done. So just wait the next further option, further update, in order to getting being eligible inside of this testnet. So waiting for confirmation, again MetaMask will get notified, would be pop up here if you noticed here. So waiting for confirmation, wait a minute here. Okay, already it is add here pending. So if you noticed, so when it will be add here, so your work has been done. Okay, so this is the work today's airdrop. I share every day one airdrop, and if you want to get more airdrop, please write down comment and come into my telegram, because I would be glad to you, because the more member would be join here, the more member will be comment inside of this video, and the more I will be glad to you, the more proud, the more confidence I will get, because of I respect you, I respect your time, you want to get something valuable. Okay, so therefore I'm so greedy for helping you. So coming to here, and how do you get this telegram link? Check out this video's description box, and that's it. So see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting. So have a good day, because of you watched a valuable content that can make you money. Okay, see you later the next time.